Hello, in front of me I've got Hollow Knight Silksong. In this video I'll show you how to get lava protection. In order to get lava protection, firstly let's go to blacksmith. You can find blacksmith in DeepDogs. Make sure you've got 180 of game currency and buy the Trinket. You can find Trinket in your inventory. Magma Bell. To equip it, you have to find bench. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.